Today's topic is motion from grade 9. What is motion? In our daily life, we see some objects at rest and other are in motion. Birds fly, fish swim, car moves, etc. So often we precise that an object to be in motion when its position changes with time. When object changes its position with time. What it mean? See, initially, let this is point O. Initially, an object is at point O. After some time, we observe that it reaches at point A. What happens? It covers some distance from O to A in some given time. So means when an object changes its position from one place to another with time is called motion. Fine. So also motion is of different types. Some are complex, some are simple. Simple motion is straight motion. And complex one you can consider circular motion. So what do you mean by straight motion? As its name implies, straight means to say when an object moves in a straight line, x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. Only one axis should be considered, then that particular type of motion is known as straight motion, when an object moves in a straight line. Okay, next one is circular motion. Obvious, circular motion means to say when an object moves in a circle, let it starts from point A and again its end point A. That particular type of motion is called circular motion. Even this type of the motion, that is also known as a circular motion. Okay, so now the next topic is uniform and non-uniform motion. This is also a type of the motion. Uniform motion. Uniform means to say, let this is point A, point B, point C, point D. The distance between A and B is 5 meter. Distance between B and C, again it's 5 meter. C and D, again it's 5 meter. A to B, let it takes time 1 second. From point B to C, an object takes again 1 second, next 1 second. And from C to D, it again takes 1 second. Means equal distance means to say 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. Equal distance in equal interval of time, that particular type of motion is known as uniform motion. When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, that is called the uniform motion. Now what about non-uniform motion? Obvious, this is not uniform. Non-uniform motion is that motion which covers unequal distance unequal distance in equal interval of time. Let's take an example. This is the motion. This is point A, covers unequal distance. B, C. I think it's very clear in this diagram that A to B, let the distance between A and B is 4 meter. From B and C, it takes us 6 meter. C and D, again let it takes us 7 meter. Time is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. What it mean? This means, I'm just going to give you example even. You just have to think about that. A to B distance is 4 meter. B to C 6 meter. Means it is not equal here. Unequal distance, but unequal distance covered by an object in equal interval of time, that is called non-uniform motion. I'm just going to give you an example. When a car is moving in a crowded street or a person is jogging in a park, these are the some examples of the non-uniform motion. When a car is moving in a crowded street, obvious, the unequal distance could be covered by the car. So even a person is jogging in the park, maybe he covers more distance or lesser distance in equal interval of time. So that type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Now next is average speed. Next topic is average speed. We also will do the relevant numerical. Average speed, the formula of average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken. So the different object may take different amount of the time to cover a given distance. Some of them move fast and some of them slowly. The rate at which object move can be different. Also, different object can move at the same rate. So this is the way by which you can find average speed of your vehicle. So let's start with the example. Numerical. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed? So let's start the diagram first. Let's draw it. This is A. A to B distance is 16 meter. Time taken 4 seconds. Next B to C 16 meter, but time taken by the vehicle is 2 seconds. So what is total distance covered by the vehicle? 16 plus 16 gives you 32 meters. Total time 4 plus 2 seconds gives you 6 seconds. So what you have to find? You have to find average speed is equals to total distance covered, that is equals to 32 meters, total time 6 seconds. So what should be your answer? 6 5 are 30, 2.0, 6 3s are 18, 2 0 6 3s are, so it will come 5.33 meter per second, or 5.33 meter per second, your answer. So this is your average speed. This is a way by which you can find average speed. Overall speed is it's also called.